tonight's the big night and Fashion Week में हर डिजाइनर का यही ड्रीम होता है that they should host the finale show. आज बड़े से बड़े डिजाइनर और नए से नए डिजाइनर शोकेस कर रहे हैं अपना काम. तो ये शाम होगी किस डिजाइनर के नाम? Join me, Simi Chandok, for a great evening where FDCI Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2012 unveils their grand finale.
Wild, it's good. The girls are gorgeous. Women should look good.
Dress up, honey, in the night, and she has to go wild in the night. And look at them, they're divas.
It's a tribute to Rabindranath Tagore, and this year is Rabindranath Tagore's 150th birth anniversary. So I was trying to pay a tribute. This time we've gone slightly Middle Eastern. So we've used Kashkai patterns and we've used flat, what you call jalebia patterns for our garments. And there's a lot of minute detailing and a lot of minute embellishment. So it's not in your face, but it's very minute.
India actually. That's why there you can see more color in the outfits. This is meant for global women, you know.
Spring summer is very soft, very nude. Everything is very long, columnar. So the drapes were done in a way that you feel tall, long, slim. But the colors are all nudes with soft embroidery.
The whole collection is inspired from समंदर की लहरों से, समंदर के अंदर, समंदर के बाहर.
Our collection we divided in two parts. One was which was very girly. We were targeting age group from 18 to 28, and the other is 28 to 40 onward. The first one was very fun and frolic. Second was again fun and frolic, but a bit more of covered look and keeping the Indian essence, what we are very good at. So that is how we designed the line. We call it 45 degrees.
Basically, the mood of the collection is you've gone for this party, you've come back. I mean, you're still in your party clothes, but the mood is really mellow, and you're happy with whatever's happened.
Well, the collection's inspired by, 7 different species of flowers, mainly exotic flowers, and it's based on this very shy girl called Thumbelina. I mean, she's a fairy tale, everybody's read it. And I wanted to show this shyness with all the color of nature and everything.
अभी तो ये सारी सीट्स खाली हैं लेकिन जल्द ही भर जाएंगी. Do you know what is the most prestigious thing? Even more prestigious than a designer watch or a sports car? It's the front row seats at any fashion show. Every celebrity and every socialite wants to be in the front rows. लेकिन designers, who do they want to be sitting in the front rows when they are showcasing their collection?
Urmila, Gulpanag,
Sonakshi.
I would say Ashton Kutcher.
Brad Pitt.
Pranya Qureshi is one of them. Firoz Gujral, Simar Dugal.
My mother, Shobha Dey.
Everyone from every walk of life, politicians, artists, scientists.
The director of National Geographic, #1, and then for the Discovery Channel, I guess.
Anyone who loves my clothes or who just wants to have a look at it.
I can't name them, but yeah, they'll be the one who will appreciate our type of clothes.
The people who buy our clothes.
So tonight's the big night. Sorry. So tonight's the big night. Sorry. तो यहाँ पर बड़े से बड़े डिजाइनर एंड छोटे
I would say Ashton Kutcher because he reminds me of my son.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I'm not at a political rally. Sorry. Once more. Sorry. मैं political rally में नहीं हूँ. क्या hoity-toity design?
I pick up.
Hey guys, hey, I'm not at a political rally. Hey, मैं political rally पर नहीं हूँ. Sorry. Hey guys, मैं political rally पर तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हूँ. मुन्नीस के साथ इंस्पायर करके.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो क्या hoity-toity डिजाइनर्स अब बू कर रहे हैं आम जनता एंड इंडिया के यूथ को? लगता कुछ ऐसे ही है. No wonder they've slashed down their prices. चलो पता करते हैं.
I have a 2,000 rupees top or a 20,000 rupees anarkali or maybe a 50,000 rupees lehenga. So there are various kinds of outfits and various kinds of work on it. So depends on what you are looking for.
For all clothes, that is a retail price of 3,000 to 15,000 rupees.
This entire collection starts from 8,000 rupees, 7,000 rupees, goes up to 20, 25,000, whatever is the workmanship and everything.
Our range starts from 4,000 rupees to about 1 lakh.
Price points are very affordable. Our collection starts from like 4,000 and ends at 20,000.
You can, it's 30,000 or something, Yeah, which is quite nice actually, yeah.
It's a business-to-business event, so what's happened is that we've achieved what we set out to do, and that is to see that all the designers write some big orders. And I've been to people who've said we've crossed 50 lakhs, we've crossed 1 crore, we've crossed 10 lakhs. So I think it's a very good feeling that the young designers are saying that they've started selling, they're going to export now to international stores, their presence will be seen in domestic market. So I'm extremely, extremely relieved about that.
Atul Chand, he's the man behind all the parties tonight, but right now some business. Atul, you have successfully managed to get high-end designers to design for your chain of stores for over 5 years. How do you manage to achieve that?
I think it's been a truly amazing relationship between Wills Lifestyle and India's leading designers. And what has happened is that we've been able to take fashion beyond the fashion week to really do the consumer. I think what started out very modestly with a few designers in a few stores has grown handsomely today. A lot of designers, 50 odd stores. And I think it's things like this which really popularizes Indian designers, Indian label, Indian beauty, yeah, and gets closer to the consumer. So I think it's been a very fulfilling journey.
Fashion Week may be about serious business when it comes to fashion. But you know what? Guys who work hard, party harder. Get set, let's party. Seems like mannequins भी थक गई हैं. Look, ये mannequin ने तो अपनी चप्पल भी उतार ली है. That means आज के लिए बस इतना ही. It's time to say bye. But guys, don't forget to join me tomorrow 7:30 p.m. for a Page 3 special on FTCI's Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week Spring Summer 2012. Where else but only on Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.